I'm not one of those high maintenance people that you have to argue with on this stuff. But
I'm gonna get a cup of coffee.
are you going to? Where are you going?
Pretty looking down these streets today.
Yeah, I should have been up earlier shooting it.